Welcome to the screencast for coding media data without transcripts. This screencast picks up where the screencast on making selections in media data without transcripts left off, having just completed making our first selection in the visualization window. For the sake of demonstration, we've already created a set of codes for this data, but you will likely create codes as you proceed in your own analysis. We want to apply two codes to our selection. The topic of this selection concerns employment prospects for new college graduates, so we'll look in the Issues keyword group and find the Employment keyword. The person asking the question is an audience member, not the debate moderator or one of the candidates, so we want to select the Audience member keyword in the Speaker keyword group. We will hold down the Control button on Windows or the Command button on macOS when selecting the second keyword to indicate that we intend to select more than one keyword. Now we move the mouse back to the visualization window and we press the Create Transcriptless Clip button in the toolbar. When we press that button, Transana creates a quick quotes and clips collection if that collection doesn't already exist. And it creates a transcriptless quick clip in that collection, which it has automatically named. We see in the visualization window that our selection is given three codes. As we move our mouse over each of the codes, we see that the first of these indicates that the debate is from the 2012 election cycle, and that the other two codes are the codes that we had selected when we created the clip. The second clip that we wish to create for this debate occurs in the 9th minute of the video file. We could use the toolbar buttons to zoom out on the visualization window to 100% and then select a new area to zoom in on, or we can just click the right edge of the visualization window to cause the visualization to scroll. Let's do this until the 9th minute is in view. Now we will select the next portion of the media file that we want to code. You will probably listen to your media file to determine the correct start and end points for your selection, but we'll skip that in this screencast. We'll then right-click in the visualization window to check our selection.
Your Energy Secretary, Stephen Chu, has now been on record 3 times stating it's not policy of his department to help lower gas prices. Do you agree with Secretary Chu that this is not the job of the Energy Department?
Let's adjust our selection to have a slightly better starting point. We'll now return to the data window and select the appropriate coding for this clip. We'll select the Economy and Prices keyword in the Issues keyword group and the Audience member keyword in the Speaker group, remembering to hold down Control on Windows or Command on macOS when selecting the second and later keywords. Pressing the Create Transcriptless Clip button in the visualization toolbar completes the clip creation process. If we right-click one of our quick clips and choose the Clip Properties item in the pop-up menu, we see that this clip is just like any other clip in Transana. We can rename the quick clip if we like and alter the coding as we see fit. The clip transcript is of course blank since this was created as a transcriptless clip.